Windbreaks, also known as shelter belts or wind barriers, are rows of trees, shrubs, or other vegetation strategically planted to reduce the impact of wind on crops, soil, and livestock. The primary purposes of windbreaks include wind protection, wind reduction. Windbreaks act as barriers that slow down and reduce the speed of prevailing winds. This helps in protecting crops from strong, damaging winds, which can lead to physical damage, desiccation, drying out, and abrasion of plants. Wind diversion. Windbreaks can alter the direction of prevailing winds, creating a more favorable microclimate on the leeward side of the barrier. This can be particularly useful in protecting sensitive crops from harsh weather conditions. Temperature regulation. Microclimate modification. Windbreaks can create a more stable microclimate by reducing wind-induced temperature fluctuations. This is especially important during cold periods, as windbreaks can help prevent frost damage to crops. Soil erosion control. Preventing soil erosion. Windbreaks play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion by reducing the force of wind on the soil surface. This is essential in maintaining soil fertility and preventing the loss of topsoil. Moisture conservation. Reducing evaporation. Windbreaks help decrease the rate of water evaporation from the soil by shielding it from the drying effects of strong winds. This is important for maintaining soil moisture levels, especially in arid and semi-arid regions. Livestock protection. Providing shelter. Windbreaks offer shelter for livestock, protecting them from the stress of harsh weather conditions. This is particularly important in winter months or during periods of extreme heat. Biodiversity and habitat enhancement. Creating habitat. Windbreaks can serve as habitats for various wildlife species, contributing to biodiversity and ecological balance. Aesthetic and recreational benefits. Enhancing landscape. Windbreaks contribute to the aesthetic value of the landscape, providing a visually appealing element to rural and agricultural areas. They can also create recreational spaces for outdoor activities. In summary, windbreaks serve multiple purposes in protecting crops and enhancing the overall agricultural environment. Their effectiveness depends on factors such as the type of vegetation used, the layout of the windbreak, and the specific environmental conditions of the region.